Hello, my name is Tristan Dagnan, and I'll be talking to you about the journal article, Workplace Communication by David DeLulis. David DeLulis is a graduate and instructor at the University of Duquesne in Pittsburgh. The original article is Volume 35, Issue 1 of Communication Research Trends. He's actually worked on this and the 34th volume of the study. He's researched many sources, however, has focused on sources primarily involving interpersonal communication and cultures within the workplace. By the end of the journal, David had made a conclusion that problems within the workplace that involve communication can be resolved by defining the rules of professional civility. Professional civility being the respect you show others in the workplace. This respect is by doing things that show etiquette or are respectful to them. However, it is very dependent on culture. So something in one person's culture might be very disrespectful or just weird in another person's culture. That's why in homogenous organizations, ones that are comprised of the same or similar cultures, they typically do not need to have these rules because they've grown up with and know them. However, in a heterogeneous organization, they need to know these rules because a lot of cultures do not react properly together and conflict when it comes to etiquette. So, some of the strengths that are part of this art journal include its ability to clarify the importance of interpersonal communication and cultures within the workplace, the two main concepts. It is also a very good summary of the original article. The original article included many sections, including Jewish culture in the workplace, Catholic culture in the workplace, and Muslim culture in the workplace. But this journal has made a complete summary of that and shown the basic idea behind everything. However, its weak point is that it is currently irrelevant. That's because it was published back in 2016. This is making it more than 5 years old, and in the past 5 years, the significance of cultures in the workplace have changed significantly. Now, this research primarily involves the impact cultures have on organizations. It shows a solution to a problem that can be coming out of a diverse organization, making it very practical and be able to be utilized by someone such as a manager or CEO. However, I would suggest that future research have to do with researching technology and its impacts on organizations. I chose this because technology is very important and is very much evolving in organizations, especially since the epidemic. For example, this class is remote, so it is important to understand the problems that technology has. It would show solutions that technology brings to organizations that can be solved and eventually make the organizations much more effective. Thank you for listening to my presentation.